the debate tonight, Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, political commentator, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, Abbas Haider, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, advocate Niladri Bhattacharya, lawyer and Trinamool Congress supporter. But my first question goes to Congress leader Ashwini Kumar Mishra. Ashwini Kumar Mishra, truly bad days for the Congress party. पहले तो बीजेपी सिर्फ क्रिटिसाइज करती थी. नाउ देयर इज अ होल आर्मी ऑफ पीपल आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस. People within the Congress party, people who are stalwarts of the Congress party. Rashid Alvi, Hussain Dalwai's ranks have now been joined by the one-time very famous Manishankar Iyer, close to the Gandhi Parivar. And then, of course, there are all the alliance partners from DMK to even your Assam party president, जो हैं to be से not to be के बीच में इस वक्त झूल रहे हैं. Apart from that, of course, तृणमूल कांग्रेस, समाजवादी पार्टी, बहुत ही बुरे दिन हैं.
Navika ji, good evening to you, fellow panelists and your viewers. I see you are very fond of Rahul Gandhi ji. I wish you could have been a bit fond of Modi ji also and should have asked him the bit difficult questions, why his name or Hardeep Puri name is in abstain file, why these farmers of this country are suffering, why our economy in K-shape, or at least what Satpal Malik said about Modi ji, that he's a Beshram and Darpok and must apologize for the Pahalgaon, or even when Subramaniam Swamy says him quote unquote the womanizer. Anyways, you speaking about Rahul Gandhi, so let me start with Rahul Gandhi only. You compared Rahul Gandhi with AI. Yes, Rahul Gandhi represents AI, the Awaaz of India. Rahul Gandhi represents the AI, action with integrity. Rahul Gandhi speaks for the accountability of India, AI. Rahul Gandhi against injustice. And last but not the least, Rahul Gandhi is ally of ignored, the AI. So yes, you rightly said Rahul Gandhi do represents AI, but not the AI what Modi ji is talking about. Because Modi ji is worried about only 15% of Indians, 10% of Indians, which is around 15 crore of population, and all his scheme, all economic policy boils down those 15 crore people. He is not bothered about the rest 90% people who is living into condition worse than Ghana. Coming back to the statement from Mr. Iyer, Congress party do have democracy, complete democracy into it, but there are opportunists into the Congress party. Few of them might be sitting in your panel as well, Navika ji. People can have their individual opinion. They can speak anything they want, but it is not the party's opinion. Party's opinion represented by party's leadership or the spokesperson.
Where the party's opinion has taken the party, everybody is watching. 95 losses on the board, and as they say, abhi picture baki hai mere dost. But Shehzad Poonawalla, Manishankar Iyer, at least Ashwini Kumar Mishra believes that is in the party, because the other stalwarts like Pawan Khera, KC Venugopal said he's not even in the party, a record that was questioned by Manishankar Iyer himself. Are they really in denial? Are they not recognizing the voices that are coming? Trinamool Congress putting Mamata Banerjee ahead. DMK saying Stalin is the only person because Congress wants a share in the pie. DMK obviously questioning what do you bring to the table that you should get. Samajwadi Party has done the worst. They have taken leaders from the Congress party into the Samajwadi Party over the weekend, even when they are in alliance for the elections that are happening next year. Shehzad Poonawalla, where does this take Rahul Gandhi?
नाविका जी, देखिए, what we are witnessing is the trust चोरी. राहुल गांधी में ट्रस्ट चोरी हो चुका है, and Rahul Gandhi likes to bring no confidence against Prime Minister, President, Vice President, Speaker, Chief Justice of India, but actually there is no confidence in Rahul. Navika ji, 95 elections have been lost by Rahul Gandhi, so there is no confidence in Janmat for Rahul. Now you have quoted the TMC, what they have said कि ममता जी को लाओ, राहुल हटाओ, India alliance बचाओ. Even after the Bihar verdict, RJD and TMC had said the same thing. Samajwadi Party, Ram Gopal Yadav ji has said that I do not believe Rahul Gandhi is our leader. He has said this during the parliament session. We have seen how TMC has distanced itself from signing the impeachment motion against the speaker. We have seen how Aam Aadmi Party has left the India Alliance because of Rahul Gandhi. We have seen how Pinarayi Vijayan and Communist Party also has said that Rahul Gandhi cannot lead the India Alliance. I don't know what Vivek Srivastava will say. So we have seen that even after Janmat, there is no Sangat, because even JMM, Supriya Sule, Omar Abdullah, they don't identify with the issues of Rahul Gandhi. They criticize Rahul Gandhi. And finally, Navika, even the leadership within the Congress, this is, I call Janpat. That means the veterans like Manishankar Iyer, then also people who are close to Priyanka Vadra, Mohammad Mukim, Imran Masood, Shashi Tharoor, even Janpat is not with Rahul. So na Janmat hai, na Sangat hai, na Janpat hai, keval Soros Badh hai. Now Navika ji, I just have one objection with you and your guest coordination team. You have told me that this debate is between BJP and India Alliance, but you have called Ashwini Mishra, Congress spokesperson 1, Vivek Srivastava, Congress spokesperson 2, Abbas Haider, Congress spokesperson 3, Niladri Bhattacharya, Congress spokesperson 4. There are 4 Congress spokespersons, because I'll tell you in next 20 seconds, even though Pinarayi Vijayan abuses Congress party, you see Vivek Srivastava will defend him. Even though Mr.
Even
Naseem
Shahjad
Siddiqui
Poonawala,
has been taken by Samajwadi Party, Abbas Haider will defend Congress Party. Then even TMC will abuse the Congress Party. Niladri Bhattacharya will defend the Congress Party. You mark my words. And I'm very upset with your guest coordination team if they are going to call 4 Congress spokespersons. So Navika, let's test it. See in 20 seconds how Vivek Srivastava.
you know,
will defend
everybody is always very upset with the Times Now and Times Now people, and we have no apologies about that. Please be upset. Be my guest. जितने अपसेट होना है हो लीजिए, पानी पी लीजिए और आगे बढ़िए, बट